Um, Hi. We have shorter file. It's called closure. So I think that we have to pay attention to this amazing topic. I love this charter because it's super easy to 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 understand and have a lot of information useful. As also closure, it's a different way to see the things as a function based on function context. And yeah, I think that we have to pay attention so much, as much as you can, to see how Swift improve the function, and also how they give more options, more flexibility, and more and great things, that you like to, that you are going, I'm pretty sure that you will love to work with closure. So here's some example. Yeah, we have a function, and function are useful for something that you need more flexible, and swiftly let you to use function as a type, just like integrating string, etc. This means that you can create function and assign to it to a variable. Once it's assigned to a variables, you can call function using variables, or passing function to another function as a parameter. It's a great. And when you create and use function in this manner, it's called closure. Closure are useful because they can handle and also capture references to constants and variables from context in which they are defined. This and this is called a closing over value, hence the name closure. A closure, it's so similar to declare some variable, but it's like assigning a function without a name. It is my way that I call. And I think that if you want to run some closure, yeah, I think we can use programming Swift. It is a platform that I like to run very quickly my program. So here you have this, and you says, for example, let's right pizza cook it, right, and you create your closure, right, and you says high closure, right. It's just like to run like a function. You just to run it. Yeah, and here it is. You have your function, and it is like a function, but you are going to create and also declare like this. So easy to create, easy, to implement as well. So at the first glance, you might think that closure is just like another way to write a function, and good, you be kind of correct. But closure allow you to do a lot of things that function allow you are not suitable for, and you will understand the power of a few page. In a few page. A closure are like a function that you can pass around as a variable, and are the starting point to their usefulness, and only goes up from them. Closure I define a little bit confused. It's normal to be confusing about closure, but don't worry. Everything is okay. Closure are useful when you want to store some functionality and use later. In particular occasion, you can often need to store functionality, including when you want to wait for some time, when you have a user interface, when you need to solve some animations, when you are performing some determining network. So closure can create like this, right? So if you run this code, you will see that it's a little bit similar like the others, right? But here it's a little bit different. So we need to take care really. It is not declared like a function with params, but let's run this. Yeah, and you will see how it's working. So you have here this one, and you see here closure, closure message, right? And you see the message, right? So if you run here, it's a little bit similar. I think that it's so it's just let difference here, and you say something like this. So don't confuse. It's at the beginning you can a little bit confused, but something, but at the end you will get it. So you have bar. It is like right, this one. Yeah, so you face some error just because the parentheses in is not allowed. That's the only things that we need to take care. Yeah, closure are better with params, and closure are not particularly useful without params. Sure, it's fun to create and assign nameless function or to variable, but they truly come into their own once you start to realize the possibility to params. So, in a smart greatly in these plans, it's that the closure don't accept params the same way as regular function. Imagine the closure we assigned to the pizza cookie contents early was regular function, and we want to add params to specify which specific pizza kind was cooked, and the function defined definition might look a little bit like this, right? So you have a function, right? And you are going to receive some string and also the time. So you are going to see that it's word, right? And that's not the problem. So you can rewrite this function and convert in this. You can pass the parameter like this and use this finish. So this int finish, this int means that the function finished, right? So take care of this, and yeah, let's continue. Yeah, we can do the test. So yeah, it could be very quickly. Yeah, Hawaiiana 7. Can do like this. Yeah, remember that we were this. Exactly, perfect. So this is the closure so far. In the next, we are going to continue, talking more, themes, that we are going to use, like capturing values. We were talking also about escaping. So keeping in, we continue here. So thank you.